Hello friends, I am Sorodip. Today we will see Linux command structure. Before moving to the Linux commands, it's very important to know how Linux command structure are working. Let's start. So today we will know how commands are built, how Linux reads your input, and why small mistakes break everything. Once you get this, it will be very easy for you to understand the Linux command and its structure. So what is command? A command is just an instruction you give to Linux. For example, you are talking to an assistant, right? You give some instruction to your assistant and your assistant will work on that. It's the same way you are instructing Linux to do some work. So let me give you one example. So open your Docker desktop. In the Docker desktop, go to the containers and let's start that Ubuntu container. After starting it, let's go inside this container and let's go under the executable. Here, let me give you one command, ls. So ls is a command used to list all the files and folders available in the directory. So I will explain this command later on, but for now understand ls is a command. So see, I have given one command to Linux and it's executing based on that command. So this is the same way. A command is basically an instruction we give to Linux. But one thing, command is just not a one word. Okay, it will consist of three parts: command, option, and arguments. So see, this is the structure of a Linux command. It will contain command, options, and argument. Where options can be optional, we can make it as optional. So how will this work? Let me give you one example. Here, let's make this command ls -la and then /home. So say it's giving me some information about this folder, home directory. It's giving me some information. So don't worry about this command. I will explain this all in the next videos. But this is also a command in Linux. So what is this? ls is basically the command name -la. So -la means it's the option. So L mean in long format, A means show me all the folders, hidden folders, files, everything. And then what is this? The argument, the target, where I wanted to execute this command. So our target is /home, this home directory. So in this way, we basically prepare the structure of a Linux command. And options can be case sensitive. Next, another important thing is Linux spaces matter a lot. Why? Because Linux treats a space like a separator. Okay, so if there is no space, it's a different command for Linux. And correct space, it means correct instruction. So let me give you an example. If we give cd ... so basically this is navigating back from current folder. So see, here we are not using any space. So this is a wrong command for Linux since we are not using any space. So this is the corrected one, cd space ... So let's go to the Docker desktop and let's verify it. Let me first go inside the home directory. How we can go? We can go cd. So cd is basically a command. Then we are not using any options because as I told previously, it can be option. Then I am giving the arguments. That means the target where I wanted to navigate. I wanted to navigate inside this home folder. So I will write home. See, I am currently inside the home folder. Okay. And then how you can go back? You can use cd. And if I press ... press enter. See what it's giving? Not found, because I am not using any space inside this. So you can give cd space ... Now I am navigating back to the root folder. So for example, if you wanted to check in which directory you exist, you can typically write pwd. Okay, present working directory or print working directory. See, it's showing /. But if I again go inside this home and write pwd, see, it's showing me I am inside this home directory. So pwd is the command. It's help us to print the working directory and display in which directory we are currently in. Next, case sensitivity. So Linux is a case sensitive. Okay, so ls, and these three are three different syntax. So if we go to command, as I told, ls means to list all the directories and files available in that. So if I press here ls, see, this is the folder or directory available under this home folder. If I write ls, see, it's a not found. If I write like this, not found. So Linux is case sensitive. So the command name should be, you should use the correct case for the command. So before going to the next part, let me show you another thing. Because you will not memorize all the commands, right? It's not possible for anyone to memorize everything. What are the different options available and what are the different arguments? So how you can see, let me clearly. So how you can take and help? So you will write command name, then space help. See, it will give everything. What are the different options are there? Okay, what is the full form and why this option is being used? Okay, you can use the help option to understand what is the use for this command and what are the different options we can use. Let me go to the desktop. In the git bash also you can use this type of commands, Linux command. I will show you how. Let me zoom. If you write ls, see, it's giving all the files and folders available inside this desktop. Now your task. So from this, identify in this command ls -lh /var/log which one is the command, which one is the option, and which one is the argument. Please comment below. And for the interview prep, these are the 3 important questions you need to know. So what is command structure, why space matter, and is Linux case sensitive or not? Okay friends, so I hope you understand the Linux command and the command structure. So we will meet you in the next video. Happy learning friends.